This 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range 427 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, a boardwalk interior, sleeps 8, self-contained, water heater, slideout, LP detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, spare tire kit, skylight, refrigerator, smoke detector, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range 427 BHS is 12,830 pounds. This 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range 427 BHS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.